Today we're going to show you how to pinch a kiwi plant so that it produces 2 lateral branches, and from each of those branches will later get fruit. Here we're going to show you how to remove 2 parts. This kiwi plant is currently divided into 2. We're going to keep only one main stem going upwards, and the other one will remove completely. The branch I'm filming now is the one we've chosen to grow upwards, because it's the strongest at the moment. So we'll continue with this stem. Here we make the cut, and from this point is where the lateral branches will grow. I'll show you from below so you can see better. For now, we've taken this one out. From here, one branch will grow to the left and another to the right. This one, we're going to eliminate. Let me explain better. From each lateral branch that grows, a long shoot will come out. From every leaf node on that shoot, another small branch will grow horizontally, and those are the ones that will bear fruit. While I'm removing the string from this branch we're going to eliminate, let me remind you to subscribe, it's totally free. Most of you who watch my videos don't subscribe, and then you miss out. If you like this video, hit like at the end, it really helps me know if you're enjoying this kind of content. Here we're going to cut, leaving a couple of buds. We don't cut it entirely, just in case something happens to the main one. That way, we have 2 extra buds to grow a new shoot upwards so the kiwi doesn't die. As I mentioned, this main stem will climb up here to the wire, and from there one branch will grow to the left, and from another bud, one will grow to the right. I'll show you another kiwi plant that's a little more advanced, so you can see how the buds develop. Look here, between the leaf and the stem, a bud comes out, and from there a new shoot grows. Here, the bud has already opened. That's exactly what happens. On this plant, we've done the same. Here, we've trained 2 branches, always keeping 2 just in case one breaks, so we always have a backup. Here's another one. This is the one we're going to remove. We cut here, and this one we cut lower, but we'll leave it as a reserve just in case. We always keep 2 buds. See here. This shoot grew from an old bud, but we'll keep 2 new ones as a backup for the main one we're training upwards. We remove the extra leaves because what we want to preserve are the buds. That's fine. Now we have the main stem growing upwards, and from it we'll get 2 lateral branches, which will then extend and bear fruit across the top trellis. This is the 2nd year of this kiwi plant, so let's hope we keep it going strong. If you liked the video, give it a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.